All right, so I'm going to go through this chart and show you guys exactly how I lay out a chart for technical analysis through ICT's past programs, what I've learned, what I've taken from the programs and applied through my own trading. This is what I'm looking for. So we're looking at the crude light crude oil futures. So we're looking at this kind of whipsaw action back and forth, and a lot of people are thinking. I know a lot of people are posting on social media this down here looking like a bear flag, but I have a different view on this. So I'm looking at this. So if we just look, all the answers typically are going to lie along to the left side of us. Past price action will give us a clear understanding of what could potentially happen in the future. So if we look at this and we look from an objective standpoint, we see all these higher lows, higher highs, price action up to an expansion, consolidation, retest that expansion, and then a sell-off. So if we start looking at this, we have relative equal lows over here, and then we have what we call a bullish order block. It takes out those lows, immediately followed by a strong move up. So this order block has been respected throughout the course of time, throughout the last, well, since July or August, Monday, August 16 or August 2016, August 21. So basically is what we're looking at here is we're looking at price has always respected this level, and I don't think it's going to be anything different this time around. And then also if we measure these price runs, so the most recent price leg down here, we draw Fibonacci on this, right? So if markets were looking to go short, they're not going to go short in a premium. They're going to go short in a discount market. So if that were the case, all you're going to see is a little touchdown through here, clean up these bottoms, and then take off again, I do believe. So the reason why I say that is because you don't buy in a premium and then sell in a higher premium. You buy in a discount and sell in a premium. It's the market's operating the same way. And if you're going to sell something, you're going to sell from a premium and you're going to collect your profits in a discount. It's the same thing here. So smart money, reverse. Okay, institution, order block, respected right there. Okay, see that? Bearish order block comes up, immediately followed through. Okay, so if we look at this order block as a potential area of resistance, we're going to look at this too. Let's take a look here once. We have another one right here. Okay, up close candle, immediately followed by a strong down close candle, and this is right to the T, right to the tick. I mean, this stuff is pretty accurate, guys. So I mean, okay, so we have this leg down here, okay, and then we also have manipulation candle. We have this order block here, okay, comes up, comes back down, sweeps the bottoms, and now price is able to take off and run again. So now if we take a look at this, since we take out this short-term high, we pull back the discount. Let's take a look and see exactly how this thing works here. So if we use this price run and we use this low as our stop, we would have gotten stopped out. Okay, no big deal. So if we take a look at this, now the range is expanded, pulled back into discount even further. So now the range is on here. What does this range look like here? We're sitting right in discount. So this is equilibrium. 50% is equilibrium. Anything below 50%, because we're looking long, I think this is going to be a situation where we're going to see a long into followed by a nice short coming into here. This is what I honestly do believe. Whether it comes up here and cleans up these tops is another topic to be discussed at a later time. I have no idea. That not looking to try to go long up there anyway. If I'm going long, I'm going long right down here in deep discount. Place my stop right below this this manipulation candle, and that's where I'd be looking at. Obviously, this is a little bit of a different scenario. On futures, you'd be kind of looking for intraday trading, myself anyway, but this will give you the premise of what we're looking for in longs or shorts. So, and the other thing is you have two ranges established here. You have this range here, okay? This range, and then you also have this range, which you're at the bottom of this range and you're at the bottom of this range. So you're at the bottom of two ranges, which is like a double confluence. So you have not only that, bullish order block has not been breached. It's been respected. Manipulation candle checks off, okay? Followed through by positive price action. We have that. Takes out intermediate highs, okay? I have that. We have a discount retracement into deep discount, 786 on the Fibonacci. And we'd be looking for this swing high for our target. And then we'd be obviously looking for some type of price action that would dictate some other type of reversal up in fair value for the market maker, which would be fair value right here, fair value gap. Other than that, that's what I'm looking at here. I do think that oil is going to make a move. I do think that we can see some positive price action in the oils, considering indices just made all-time highs. So either they're going to pull back or consolidate. In my opinion, we might see another expansion towards the upside, but I think it might be short-lived. And the other thing too that I was looking at was the dollar was looking like it's ready for a bounce itself. So we're going to see. We're going to wait and see. Obviously, nothing's screaming bearish yet as far as the indices go. So we're just going to, we're just going to play things by ear. I mean, could it possibly do a number like this where, we just ran up and then consolidated, look, this was an all-time high itself here. This was an all-time high. This was an all-time high. I mean, any one of these can happen. So, and the other thing that I was looking at is if we measure these price ranges on this too. Just grab the we look at these price ranges here. Let's just go from swing low to swing high. Okay. Let's duplicate that. Let's just see if this lines up with anything. Swing low, swing high. I mean, we're right there. I mean, that's, we could see something like this. We could see something like this. We could see something like this. There's no way of telling until we get to that point. So when we get to that point, we can make a little bit more of an informed decision. And then based on the other video that I also made too, we can also look at trend-based Fibonacci extensions, which can kind of give us an idea where algorithms might be keying off of certain key points of interest. But for right now, this is what I'm looking at with oil. That's the main purpose of making this video. I'm looking for long opportunities. I do want to see these bottom wicks cleaned up though. So I mean, whether that's this week, next week, in a couple weeks from now, I don't really know, but I do want to see some kind of manipulation to kind of clean up these, these relative bottoms here. I'd like to see that. If we get it, we get it. If not, I'll probably be playing the first impulse leg out of this area here. So that's what I'm looking at. That's how I do it. That's how I map it all out. That's what I'm looking at. I'm not looking to go short, way down. We're at the bottom of a price run. If I'm looking to go short, I'm looking to go short at the retest of something up here. I'm not ever trying to go short down here. I've kind of changed some things up how I used to trade. So we're going to try to share that all here on the channel and kind of see what things transpire and how things go. So that's where I'm at. Try to keep this a nice short video. Try to drag it out and ramble on. So any questions, hit me up. Have a good day.